Good morning this Wednesday, the 8th of January. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Over in the US on Tuesday, Wall Street closed lower across the major averages as fresh economic data and higher bond yields weighed on investor sentiment. The Dow Jones fell 0.42%, the Nasdaq lost 1.9%, and the S&P 500 ended the day down 1.11%. Fresh data from the Institute for Supply Management revealed faster than expected growth in the US services sector in December, which raises investor concerns of inflation remaining sticky in the world's largest economy. In Europe overnight, markets mostly extended their recent rally to close higher on Tuesday as investors digested key inflation data out in the region and corporate results. The STOXX 600 added 0.32%, Germany's DAX rose 0.62%, the French CAC lifted 0.6%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 ended the day flat, down just 0.05%. Annual inflation in the eurozone data out yesterday rose to 2.4% in December, which is up from the 2.2% rise in November, but this was in line with economists' expectations. Across the APAC region on Tuesday, markets closed higher, led by Japan's Nikkei, as a global tech rally boosted the growth sectors across markets in the region. Japan's Nikkei rose 1.97% on Tuesday, South Korea's Kospi index advanced 0.14%, and China's CSI index rose 0.72%. The local market extended its rally into Tuesday with a gain of 0.33% on the back of strong start to the week for the US and European markets on Monday. Chip and tech stocks led the charge yet again yesterday and early in the week as investor optimism for earnings growth potential continues to drive tailwinds for this high growth sector. Once again yesterday, the mining giants did come under pressure amid concerns over demand outlook for key commodities like iron ore, following further weak economic data out of China in recent weeks, including manufacturing PMI, retail sales and trade balance data. Fortescue lost 4.4% on Tuesday, while BHP declined 0.7%, and Rio ended the day down 0.7% as well. Meanwhile, IDP Education rose almost 4% yesterday after Macquarie upgraded the stock to an outperform rating, citing near-term consensus downgrades and the company's first half 25 results as potential investing opportunities. 4D Medical shares rocketed over 16% yesterday after receiving FDA clearance for its AI-driven IQ UIP lung diagnostic tool, designed to improve the diagnosis of usual interstitial pneumonia, a key marker for interstitial pulmonary fibrosis, or IPF. The global IPF treatment addressable market is valued at $4.01 billion in 2024 and is expected to grow to over $7.8 billion in the next decade. Elsewhere in the healthcare sector, we also saw Opthea soar over 7.5% on Tuesday after the clinical stage biopharmaceutical company announced the publication of its phase 1B trial of its lead product candidate for combination therapy and diabetic macular edema. On the commodities front this morning, oil has recovered slightly from the recent dip to trade 0.97% higher at $74.28 a barrel. Gold is up 0.63% at $2,651 an ounce, and iron ore is flat at $99.44 a ton. The Australian dollar has slightly weakened against the greenback overnight to buy $62.41 US cents, not dollars, 98.45 Japanese yen, 50.01 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.19%, tracking Wall Street's losses overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Iris following the formation of a pattern over a period of 18 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $9.22 to the range of $8.15 to $8.35, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bullish signal on Jumbo Interactive following the formation of a pattern over a period of 39 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $14.12 to the range of $15.70 to $16.10, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.